Hi guys, it's Bethany. Today I have a really special unboxing for you. It is from another pen turning group that I discovered. The group is called Bistro Exclusives Group and it is run by Bistro Blanks. I will link both the Facebook page and the Facebook group in the description box down below. So be sure to check that out. As always, I have other useful information down there for you guys to browse and look at. So I discovered this on Facebook and I was immediately drawn. These guys make amazing pens. So one of these in here is from a numbering system where they list where they post pen, you number yourself in order with everybody else who wants to buy the pen, and then they randomly draw to see who gets the chance to buy the pen. Another one of these in here is because I had requested to be put on a list. They have waiting lists, and this list was for an aromatherapy pen. One end has aromatherapy on it. It was really cool because I was talking to them over there and I was told that if I wanted to pick one of the pre-made ones that they could do that for me right away without having to wait on the list. And so I went ahead and did that because I saw one that I liked, and that way I can show you guys. Also, they do have an option for stainless steel tips, which I got on one of the pens. They're really great at helping you customize. I really appreciated their customer service and their interactions that they had with me. For example, on I think it's on the aromatherapy pen, you can pick up to 2 decorations. And so I was shown all the different options that were available to me. There were so many options, you guys. Anyways, there's a lot of customizing available with this group, and I'm sure that you're ready for me to open this package. I know that I'm ready. It's been sitting in my pile a while, so I'm glad to be getting to it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, there is a card. It says thank you. Look at this pouch. That is gorgeous. Okay. Wow, that beautiful touches that I did not expect. In here I also, oh my goodness. You guys, this is like Christmas. Okay, it looks like I got some regular tips, so it will be a 3-placer and I don't know, what is that, a 5 or a 7? Something like that. But look at this, it's a cover minder. Oh, I gotta get a closer look at it. It has a bee on it for Bethany. Look at that, it's red. It's sparkly. It's so pretty. I have my natural light going on here, but I don't know if you can still really see the gorgeousness of this, because I'm telling you guys, that is so pretty. Let's see, maybe we can zoom in on it. Look at how pretty that is. It has a little flower. It has some diamonds in there. Of course, they're not real diamonds. Silly, but you know. That's really pretty. This is made out of resin, is what it feels like. That's so pretty. I love this. Okay, I'm gonna open this card. I'm gonna zoom out first. You guys can adore my things while I look at this card. Oh, it says thank you. That is so pretty. So this is actually a couple of different purchases. There should be 3 pens in here, I think. One was a numbering one, another one was a numbering one, and then the aromatherapy pen. It feels like there's 4. I could be forgetting. It's been a while, you guys, so Looks like there's 4. This pack is so cute. I love it. Oh, there's something else in here. This might be my still tips. Oh, this is the aromatherapy stuff. Woohoo! It comes in this really nice little black velvet bag. Here is the chain. You can hook the pin and wear it around your neck and wear it as a necklace, which is super cool. Oh, looks like I got a little vial. That's nice. So one thing, I really love essential oils, and I have quite a collection. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to do some testing. I'm guessing you put the oils in here and then you can dip the little sponge thing in it. Okay, guys, which one should we open first? I think we'll do the odd one out. So let's do the blue. Ooh, yeah, this is the first one that I got. This is what drew me to the company. So here on the back, really pretty yellow. Let's see if I can zoom in just enough. Okay, really pretty yellow. Ta-da! How cute is that? A little bat girl. Look at that pin. Isn't that cool? I love it. Oh, I like the grip on this a lot, actually. Yeah, that's cool. This is even cooler in person than I thought it was gonna be. So that's awesome. Okay. I don't know what this one is. I don't know. This one feels really chunky and weird. Whoa! Oh my gosh. That is the coolest bag ever. That is the coolest bag ever. I feel like they knew my style even though they didn't know my style. This is amazing. This is amazing. Oh, this was an oh yeah, this one. This was another one that I got on the numbering system type of one. I was actually one of the only ones that bid on this one, but it has these belts around it. It's made out of wood. It's thick. And it is a light style pin. So one of these sides you'll unscrew and you put in the batteries. I think. I mean, I have one like this. Yeah, it doesn't have the... Oh no, it's already lit up. I wonder if it got turned on during shipping and that's why it's so... Because that light is not very bright, you know? Like you can barely see it. I feel like I should be able to twist that open, because if this works like the other light pin that I have, you have to be able to replace the batteries, right? Unless this is just a one-time thing, which I don't think so. Okay, well, I'll make sure to keep that turned off just in case, right? Anyways, very cool pin. They're so smooth. These pins are so smooth. They're pretty much the smoothest pins that I've had before. I don't know. Okay. This one I believe is the other one that I bid on for having the right to buy. Oh, no, this one was a pick-me. She had listed it, and then the first person to respond that they wanted it, got it. And guess what? That was me. Ta-da! Cool, right? Yeah, I like this one a lot. The tips are in there, wedged in there really tight. I wanted to see if I could, well, I don't know. I'm just playing around with this basically, but look how cool that is. Maybe I feel like zooming in gives you a better. This was, I believe, one of their boo-boo pins. So if they mess up, they will put pins on their page for a discounted price. This doesn't look bad to me. Like, there's just some bubbling inside it there. It's on the outside, you can't feel anything. I honestly think it makes it look really cool. I love this. It looks kind of like, a field in the fall time. So yeah, really cool. Black sparkly background. There's something else in there. There is something else in there. Oh, so done. Okay. These are the wicks for the aromatherapy. That's cool. That's cool that there's that many. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. I love this bag so much. I cannot even begin to express. Okay. Half this video is just giving me talking about how much I love it. Okay. So my aromatherapy pen comes in a suede feeling kind of a bag. Look, you can see the pretty danglies that I picked out coming through. See my style? Yep. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, she called this one Red Pearl, which I had to get because my late grandmother, her name is Pearl, and her favorite color is red. And so when she gave me this option as one that was already available and ready to go, I was like, yes, please. She added these belts for me. One is a red and one is a gold. I think that's so pretty. And it feels great. These are especially cute. Let's check this out. So this twists off. I wonder, just because I'm a wondering type of person. See, I knew there was a reason I was wanting to take that out. I wonder if that'll work. No. You could try, but it's not really going to work. If you had like a thicker one, or maybe if you wanted to tape it in, if you wanted to turn this into a regular pin, you probably could figure out a way to do that. But that's just made for, well, unless you took that out, maybe. No, it would be too thick. Okay. So in here is where you stick these things. But I don't think it's up here that you stick them. I think it's further in here. So yeah, I think get that soaked in the oil, pop it in there. Looks almost like two would fit. Twist that on. And then you can have lovely aromatherapy while you diamond paint. Or if you want to always have your available, have your diamond painting pin available. This is so cool. Okay. Pardon me while I fumble around. I'm trying to decide how I want to do this. There's a few different ways I could do this. I think I'm actually going to hook this over both of these rings here to have it more sturdy. So you have this cool chain, and if you want to wear it or hang it nearby your diamond painting, then you hook the other side on and you have a chain. Oh my gosh, I love this. You guys, this is so cool. What a neat idea. What a neat idea. Okay. Wow. Wow. That's what I have to say about this is wow. All right, so I couldn't let it go. I had to go take a break and figure this out. This does open up. I used some pliers, batteries. Yeah, so you can take those batteries out, replace them. How nice that it came with batteries. And then twist it back. It's like I don't want to be in there. Okay. Yeah, great. That's so great. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are interested in looking up Bistro blanks, I have their information down below, like I mentioned earlier. Also, if you're interested in helping support my channel, please hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit the bell for the notifications to be alerted to when I post new videos, because I don't post on a schedule. You've probably noticed this about me by now if you've been around for a while. And so you never know when I'm going to post a video. But if you hit that notification bell, you will always be notified, and then you'll know when I post a new video. Also, if you like this video, found it useful, hit that like button. That helps my channel. Anything that you guys do to support me is so appreciated. And I just want to say a big thank you to you guys for being here and taking the time out of your day to see what I had for you. Much love to you all. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.